This panel is designed to seal the space between the bottom of the cabinet and the raised floor. It's constructed of a rigid PVC, which is UL 94HB, and a flexible membrane that is scored on the back in 1-inch increments so that it can be adjusted toollessly by simply tearing off the portions that aren't needed. Now, it's really important to seal the space between the bottom of the cabinet and the raised floor to improve the airflow management of the site. This is a spot that's often overlooked, but after installing blanking panels and taking care of some other really obvious fundamentals, this is the next step in improving airflow management. And when this space is sealed, it prevents cold air from leaving the cold aisle. Often in a fully contained configuration, cold air will leave underneath the cabinets, or in a partial containment or no containment situation, hot air from the hot aisle can flow underneath the cabinets, elevating intake temperatures of the IT equipment. And even if there are no high intake temperatures or hot spots, it requires more air and colder air to keep all the IT equipment happy. Installing the under-rack panel requires no tools. Simply attach it to the cabinet and determine how many of the 1-inch increments need to be torn off to adjust the height for your cabinet. Find the score line that is closest to the height that you need for your cabinet, and then starting at the edge, get the tear started and tear off the unneeded portion the full length of the panel.